We often get questions like, how to become a New Zealand teacher? I'm keen and interested. Where do I begin? And we appreciate your comments. And it's really great to hear many become more aware of this opportunity na makapunta sa New Zealand as a teacher. We keep sharing so much free information on our YouTube channel. Please browse our playlists, real stories, expert tips, and solid advice. Paano ba makapunta dito? Ano ang mga pathways? What are the steps? Paano ba magturo sa New Zealand? And so much more, including how to live and thrive in this beautiful country. We thank so much all our amazing guest speakers for generously sharing their time and journey with us. But if you need personal guidance, that takes time. Time to understand your journey, and I hope you understand that's no longer free. And we actually have many other things to do, like planning, preparing lessons, teaching, general cleaning, and gardening this school holiday. We run to online academy, offering online tutoring to primary and secondary learners around the world. We have regular sessions every day, including weekends, to support students who need consistent help. We also provide English language test preparation for exams like PTE and IELTS. We get bookings every once in a while, and I greatly suggest that if you need our help with that, please give yourself at least 1 month to practice before the exam. Meanwhile, Grow Yourself in New Zealand is our coaching platform for teachers and professionals like you who wants to upskill, build their confidence, and receive personalized mentoring. And here's the breakdown of tutoring and coaching prices in New Zealand as of 2024. No, we don't give immigration advice. So far, no one is asking us about that. But if you're ready to grow, we've got the tools to help you thrive. Salamat po sa pangunawa. Ka kite!